The Sabre Mark 6. Been operated by Mistral Warbirds since 2019 from, as I said, Havilland in France. Frédéric Macari maintains the aeroplane himself, and he was flying it for us today. It's been lovely to have Fred back at Duxford. He flew at several of the Flying Legends shows, and his Fury and the Mustang Moonbeam McSwine that we saw on the programme earlier. But he has been appearing for the first time in his Sabre here this summer. But now in comes the Vampire. The Vampire was the first jet to enter Royal Navy service. Then fast forward a bit to July 1948, RAF Vampire F-3s stationed at Odium. One side, that squadron converted to the Vampire Mark 1 in 1948. We didn't have the opportunity to fire off some of the pyros during the World War I sequence earlier because both those aircraft, the B-89 and the BR-1, had to cancel. And we're going to